Nag-announce kasi ang Director General ng WHO, si Dr. Ghebreyesus, about the possibility that a vaccine will be out by November of this year or within the year, no? Actually, just to manage expectations, this is possible, but I think it will be, in a sense, it will be true because if the trials in the US, for example, yung Moderna, which is actually the leading vaccine candidate in terms of time na matatapos yung phase 3 clinical trial, at saka yung Oxford vaccine sa UK, if it will finish by this month, end of this month, or early next month, then it is possible that within the year, kung bibilisan nila ang data analysis, it may be available in their country. I have to emphasize that in their country, not in other countries outside where they were developed. Kasi that will entail another 1 to 2 months because it has to be reviewed, or the data has to be reviewed by the FDA of the other countries. So if ever, it will be available in the country where they were developed, maybe within the year, if the clinical phase 3 trials are finished by this month or early next month. But if it's going to be for the Philippines, I don't think that is possible because you have to give 1 to 2 months for the data to be submitted to our FDA and for our FDA to make the decision. So our forecast still stands na it will be around second quarter of next year that the a vaccine would be available in the Philippines.
Dr. Montoya, siguro tuloy niyo na po yung pagpapaliwanag na yung tungkol sa pila natin. Like tayo, dahil hindi naman tayo yung gagawa nung vaccine na yun, tayo po ay kumbaga, kung gusto nilang sumali tayo sa testing, sige po. Pero bakit isang factor pa ito na hindi tayo agad makakakuha dahil nga tayo ay nakapila lamang?
Yes. Kasi nga, wala naman tayong local manufacturing for vaccines in the Philippines. Kung meron lang tayo, mas mapapaaga siguro ang availability ng vaccine sa atin, assuming na yung bakuna na ginagawa sa ating bansa ay magiging maganda ang resulta sa phase 3 clinical trial at matatapos agad. But having said that, if I may elaborate further, alam nyo na siguro yung COVAX facility na we will actually access, and we are one of the 92 countries that will access the vaccines through the COVAX facility. Even po ang COVAX facility, sinasabi nila lagi na the earliest that a vaccine will be available through that facility is first quarter of next year. So talagang, just to manage expectations, it's unlikely na magiging available yung bakuna sa Philippines within the year. Next year, maybe, pende kung mabilis ang approval process at magbigay kaagad yung mga data ng mga vaccine developers sa ating FDA. So may mga nakapila tayo. You're right. We have, currently, we have 3 yung nagsubmit sa clinical trial. We have, of course, Janssen or Johnson & Johnson. Then we also have, yung pinakahuli ay Sinovac. Pero of course, ang pinakauna yung sa Gamaleya, yung Russian vaccine. But these are for the clinical trials. So of course, wala pa tayong pila sa actual product registration because that will only happen when the phase 3 clinical trials are finished. Well, alam nyo, hindi natin maipagkakailayan. Marami talaga mga nag-aalinlangan pa sa effectiveness ng bakuna kung talagang kailangan yan, lalong-lalo na sa mga nangyari ng nakaraan na talaga nabawasan po ang kumpiyansa ng publiko sa bakuna. Kaya nga po, isa sa ating mga major programs na ilo-launch ngayon at ginagawa na ay yung awareness campaign tungkol sa importance ng vaccines. At yan po ay inilunsad na ng Department of Health. At may mga primers na po na ibinibigay tungkol sa pagbabakuna at kung gaano kalaki ang maitutulong nito para maproteksyonan tayong lahat sa COVID-19, no, o sa virus. So, kailangan po natin talaga i-address itong mga katanungan na ito dahil marami po mga kumakalat na fake news at mga misconception about the vaccine. I think kailangan lang po talaga ay sumangguni sila sa mga nakaiintindi, nakauunawa, nakaalam. Ito po ang Department of Health at mga eksperto natin upang malaman nila yung mga facts, yung mga katotohanan tungkol sa bakuna. At base po sa napakahaba na nating experience sa vaccines, starting from the polio vaccine, ang dami na po, smallpox vaccine na na-eradicate na, undoubted po, without any doubt, ang vaccines po ay makatutulong sa ating bansa. Kaya na po mga vaccines may kanya-kanya kasi yung gamit at may kanya-kanya rin yung use for specific groups. Yun ang aalamin pa natin kung anong mga groups ang makikinabang the best nitong lalabas ng mga COVID-19 vaccine.